Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can activate the noise cancellation on your AirPods Pro 2nd generation. And to do this, you have to just open the AirPods Pro tab and take a look right here for the noise control. As you can see, we've got the presets, so on the left or the right, all we have to do is just to press and hold the AirPods. We can press and hold one AirPod. So to do this, you have to just when you put it to your ears, you will have to squeeze like that. And as you can see, currently we turn it off. Let's repeat. Click and hold. We turn on the transparency mode. Let's do this one more time. And that's how we can switch between the off and the transparency mode. And when you grab the right one, you can actually do the same. We can also do this manually. Of course, we have to put both earbuds into our ears. And when you do this, we will be able to adjust all of these functions. So we can switch between noise cancellation, adaptive, the transparency mode. That's very simple. You can also customize just right here. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.